Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage and stop the startup programs on Mac. Whenever you start your Mac computer, you would be able to see a lot of pop-ups of applications being starting up automatically. For example, when I log in, I can see this FaceTime as well as Safari browser launching automatically. Now, in order to stop this, what you can do is you can go to this system settings under the Apple menu, and here in the search bar, search for login items and select the menu which is appearing, and here you can see open at login, and then there are 4 or 5 apps which are automatically launching at the login. So what you need to do is you need to individually select these applications which you do not want and then remove it from there. So I will just select these all apps and then remove it. So once I remove it, I can just close it, and now next time when I restart my system, then these apps won't be automatically launching. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.